Filipino Bamboo Cannon.
The Lantaka, a day of explosions.
Yeah, so if you were like, oh, another Philippines reaction, what are we gonna get today? A bamboo cannon!
Oh yes, obviously. I mean, it's the logical thing. You know, we just reacted to some universities. We're getting the knowledge on that. Some certain islands. You know, a guide on Manila. Then the cannon.
Dude, what's crazy to me is like in America, like everybody has a gun. So in the Philippines, everyone just has a bamboo cannon.
I mean, yeah, I didn't know. Do you guys have your equivalent of the Second Amendment, but you're allowed to bear bamboo
It's
cannons?
the First Amendment there. It's Filipinos have the right to bear bamboo in any capacity they want.
And little did their constitution know that it would be turned into a cannon. But it's still okay, because it's in the Constitution.
Exactly. Philippines. Another reaction. Hopefully you enjoy. If you do, subscribe, like the video. We got tons of stuff on the channel. We got tons of stuff on our other channels too. Our main channel where we react to SB19 and other Filipino musical artists, and our vlog channel where we're about to be trying some Filipino foods in Dubai.
And we actually just booked our tickets. We're flying out to the Philippines. I don't know when this video will be posted, but roughly in like a month and a half probably, and we're gonna be building our own Lantaka. So you gotta subscribe to that vlog channel so you can see the Dubai stuff and the Philippine stuff coming soon.
If you DM us on Instagram, we can shoot the Lantaka at your house.
Yes, give us your address.
Let's do it. Here we go. I think that's the second video in a row we asked for people's addresses.
Hopefully people are not gonna comment anything. That would be really bad for you.
Oh my gosh! That was freaking insane! What the heck?
Whoa. Okay.
Alright.
It's a thick piece of bamboo.
If you didn't know it yet, we're gonna make a Lantaka, which is a ginormous Filipino-style bamboo bazooka thing.
Bazooka
He's
thing.
just cleaning the kawaii right now. This is giant kawaii, giant bamboo.
The heck, this random Canadian guy who's gonna build cannons with us?
Wait, are you sure he's Canadian?
Oh, true, it is pretty hard.
It may just look like kawaii now, but it's gonna be a bazooka. So is this. Woo!
It's a big knife.
It's actually, Hawaiian's actually okay to chop with a bolo. It works.
Never ever heard of a bolo or a kanayan or whatever the frick
He said those two words and I'm like, oh yeah.
Didn't pass the quality control of cookie. Back job.
So literally, after we chop down the Hawaiian, all my friend Cookie's gonna do now, he's gonna make a little hole in one end.
It's gonna be like a... What are they gonna shoot out of it?
No way, yeah.
Coconut?
Hold up. So it's really thin in the middle. Yeah. Ah, this is interesting, man. One sec. So you can see every single section of bamboo has kind of a casing in between. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use a giant metal pole. We're just gonna slam all the way down to where we're gonna make the hole. So, sige. This one.
You know what they should do? Is they should use another cannon to make the hole into that cannon.
You shoot the cannon into that cannon.
Yeah, and then it'll just...
But then we come to the dilemma, what came first? The chicken or the egg sort of thing, where it's like, what cannon came first?
True.
How would you make the first cannon?
The cannon or the cannonball? Who knows?
No, so you just go each section. So you're just hammering down each section.
It's like gutting a pumpkin, but it's a bamboo, and you're gonna turn it into... We can make a pumpkin cannon.
We could try. We could do it for 4th of July.
That'd be sick. Probably make like a pumpkin bomb. Maybe not a cannon.
Yeah, there it is. That's not no. Smells like bamboo.
Eat it.
Woo!
Oh, cookie.
Naghanasou! Ramen go soaked, naghanasou! You have to take all of the moisture out of the Hawaiian before we can use it as a bazooka. Woo! Lechon Hawaiian! So they cook. Yeah. Nice. How are we gonna put it on though? Gonna wrap? Yeah.
It's already seasoned.
So you gotta reinforce the end, because if we don't reinforce it, it could just explode on us.
Oh.
How did this
And then I'll have no
occur?
more face to make videos.
These guys are like. This guy just comes up and he's like, "Hey guys, can you make me a cannon, please?
Just so energetic and happy all the time.
I'm a Canadian."
They just wanna. We're basically Canadian.
Kind of, yeah. We're right next to it. We could drive right up to Canada if we wanted to.
And we could be like, hey, how's it going up here?
Hey, you betcha. Up here in
Bamboo
Canada.
headband. Nice one, bro. Alright, we did it. This is called Calboro, and it's calcium carbide, and this is what we're going to use to make this giant kind of cannon thing go. I don't exactly know how to do it, so Cookie, let's do it. What are we doing? How do we do this? How many? Just one? Okay, so we're going to put one of these inside. Just drop it in? Yeah. Then what? Shake? We take a bit of water, we put one of the stones in, one of the Calboro, and we're going to put a bit of water in here.
Okay.
Tiny bit? Oh, it's... You can see it's foaming up and smoking. Wait, what?
Guys, you'll be the one to first light it.
See, hold up. Not yet. You don't... What? That's it? Yeah. Really?
What the?
Okay.
Whoa.
I got for it! Oh my
Oh
god!
my god.
That was freaking insane! What the heck? I can barely even hear! Woo!
Yeah!
Yay! Oh man! I got a shot of tuba for that! Yeah!
What the heck? That's crazy.
That is crazy!
That was crazy.
New Year, man. Woo!
They just probably murdered
One
a
more.
mouse deer out there. They just
No.
shot it. No.
Okay, hold up,
We need to
hold up.
boycott this video now
Man,
if they
I need to
did.
drink a tuba after that. Holy smoke! That was so loud. I could barely even hear right now. See that? That's a lot of smoke. Fire in the hole.
What the heck?
You can still go again. Woo! It was like an otut.
Oh, guy.
He's so
my
energetic. Oh,
Nothing.
look at a big muzzle fly.
So,
Yes!
are they just, if you put like a rock in it, will it just launch the rock? Because
Lantaka is
nothing's coming
awesome.
out because they're shooting it at the trees and nothing's moving in the trees.
Oh man, the natural freaking Filipino bazooka, baby. Woo!
I want to see them
We don't
destroy.
just have one Lantaka, now we have
Shoot
three,
a
and we put
watermelon.
cans in the front. Let's do it.
Oh,
Oh, here we go.
oh.
Uh,
One more, the third one. Woo! Very nice. Okay. Oh! Oh my gosh, look at this! Look at this! It's split! It freaking split! Look at it! Oh man! Look at that! Freaking exploded! This is like 5-year-old bamboo and it's exploded down the side. That is power! Oh man! That was huge!
sorry for the interruption and the lawnmower.
Yeah.
I think we should build a Lantaka and shoot it at the lawnmower.
Oh, we should.
Da, 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 da.
Oh,
That's it.
this is what I want to do in the Philippines. I want to like meet people and have like fun interactions, but we're so like,
We, first of all, don't put ourselves in situations to where that happens. And second of all,
We'd be like, oh, let's just go to the restaurant and eat and go back to the apartment.
we're biscuit boys.
We were in Georgia for 2.5 months and we didn't go anywhere ever. We just went to restaurants and hiking by ourselves.
We're awkward. Sorry, if the person one of the people that met us in Dubai is watching this, it was a very awkward encounter. I'm sure you know who you are.
Yeah.
And you have a prime example of that awkwardness.
So we'll never be able to do anything. Like, thanks for watching, everybody.
If you guys want to make a lawn taco with us, DM us on Instagram.
Yeah.
And we'll be like, oh, that's such a great idea. And then we're like, too awkward. And then everything.
No.
But we'll do it.
I'll do it. Don't blow us up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, like the video. More Filipino stuff coming on this channel soon. On the vlog channel soon. 2 months away. And we'll see you in the next one.